Mastering unconscious bias training. We'll alienate employees if our bias training ignores their diverse backgrounds. When developing and implementing our unconscious bias training program, what steps will we take to ensure that its content and materials are culturally sensitive and relevant to the diverse backgrounds, experiences, and perspectives of our employees, in order to create an inclusive and effective learning environment for all? To ensure that our unconscious bias training program is culturally sensitive and relevant to the diverse backgrounds, experiences, and perspectives of our employees, we will take the following steps. Form an inclusive development team. First, we will assemble a diverse team of employees from various departments, levels, and backgrounds to develop and review the training program's content and materials. This team will include representatives from the Human Resources Department, diversity and inclusion experts, and subject matter experts from various fields. By involving a diverse group of employees in the development process, we can ensure that the training program is grounded in the experiences and perspectives of our workforce. Conduct a needs assessment. Next, we will conduct a needs assessment to identify the specific biases and barriers that exist within our organization. This assessment will involve surveys, focus groups, and interviews with employees from diverse backgrounds to gather information about their experiences, challenges, and concerns. The results of this assessment will inform the development of the training program's content and objectives. Incorporate diverse case studies and examples. The training program will include diverse case studies and examples that reflect the experiences and challenges faced by employees from underrepresented groups. These case studies will be based on real-life scenarios that highlight the impact of unconscious bias on different groups, such as women, people of color, individuals with disabilities, and LGBTQ+ individuals. By using relatable and relevant examples, we can create a sense of empathy and understanding among employees and help them develop a deeper understanding of the effects of unconscious bias. Address intersectionality. Our training program will acknowledge and address the intersectionality of biases, recognizing that individuals may experience multiple forms of bias and discrimination simultaneously. We will explore how biases related to race, gender, sexual orientation, age, ability, and other characteristics intersect and compound, resulting in unique challenges and barriers. By addressing intersectionality, we can create a more nuanced understanding of unconscious bias and its impact on different groups. Use inclusive language and imagery. All training materials, including written content, images, and videos, will be carefully reviewed to ensure that they are free from stereotypes, biases, and cultural insensitivities. We will use inclusive language and avoid tokenistic or stereotypical representations of diverse groups. Our goal is to create a training environment where all employees feel seen, heard, and valued. Partner with external experts. We will partner with external experts and organizations that specialize in diversity, equity, and inclusion to ensure that our training program is grounded in the latest research and best practices. These partners will provide valuable insights and perspectives, helping us to develop a comprehensive and effective training program that addresses the unique needs of our diverse workforce. Pilot testing and feedback. Before rolling out the training program to all employees, we will pilot test it with a diverse group of employees to gather feedback and identify areas for improvement. This feedback will be used to refine the program's content, delivery, and materials, ensuring that they are culturally sensitive and relevant to our employees' experiences and perspectives. Ongoing evaluation and refinement. After the training program is launched, we will conduct regular evaluations to assess its effectiveness in reducing unconscious bias and promoting an inclusive work environment. We will gather feedback from employees, track key metrics, and monitor the program's impact on employee engagement, retention, and promotion rates. Based on the results of these evaluations, we will refine the program's content and delivery to ensure that it remains relevant and effective in addressing the evolving needs of our diverse workforce. Manager and leader engagement. Finally, we will engage managers and leaders throughout the organization to ensure that they are equipped to support and facilitate the training program. We will provide them with additional training and resources to help them create a safe and inclusive learning environment, address employee concerns, and model inclusive behaviors. By engaging managers and leaders, we can create a cultural shift within the organization and ensure that unconscious bias training is integrated into our daily practices and norms. By taking these steps, we can develop an unconscious bias training program that is culturally sensitive, relevant, and effective in promoting an inclusive work environment for all employees.